I found the two cranes together. They're back here hanging out on a Thursday, 26th of February, 2026. I've been looking for them for the last 6 or 7 days, and now I've located them, just easing up on them because I know they can fly. Plus, they're usually not disturbed by humans. They don't run off just because there's a human there. Let me see. Is one of them missing a leg? Poor fella. Yeah. Maybe that's why I had not seen the two together. That's where is he? Where is he? There. Where is he? There he is. He's missing a leg. I'm sorry about that, fella. Ain't no telling. A turtle, alligator, or a human in a car.